Today I'm making lemon raspberry cake bites. First I'm going to add 1 box of lemon cake mix into a bowl. Next I'm going to add 1 box of raspberry jello mix. Next I'm following the directions on the back of the cake mix, so I'm adding eggs, oil, and water. Then just mix that up until it's combined. Next add this into a greased 9x13 pan and bake this at 350 for 20 to 25 minutes. Once the cake comes out of the oven, I let it cool for a half hour, and now I'm going to add it into a large bowl. Next I'm going to add 8 ounces of softened cream cheese. Then mix that up until it becomes dough-like. Now I have a lined cookie sheet. I'm using a cookie scoop to scoop out the cake bites, and then I'm going to put this in the freezer for 1 hour. Next, melt 1½ cups of white chocolate. After the cake bites have been in the freezer for 1 hour, I'm going to dip each one in the white chocolate, shake off the excess chocolate, put it back on the parchment paper, and then sprinkle some Nonpareils sprinkles on top. Here's an up-close look at the cake bites.